Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have 2 Lush North America boxes, so let's get into them and check them out. This is the new Lush North America box. You guys know I used to get the Lush Kitchen, which is what this is, Lush Kitchen, from the UK, but they have started doing it in North America now, and I had one, but it timed out. It was the October one, it was Halloweeny, so we are moving on. This should be the November and December boxes, and I cannot wait to see what is in them. And I was busy feeling bad and sorry for myself. I was taking a lot of baths, so I need a replenishment on some of my bath bombs. All right, I think I have separated the November from the December by looking in both boxes, but I have to tell you, it was hard because they have put festive things in both boxes. You will generally have 5 bath items from them. It is, I think, $49.95, but then you ship it and tax it, so by the time we get it, it's about $60. When we got it from the UK, it ended up being closer to $70, so you are saving about $10. Digging into what I believe is the November box, we have some just nice fun stickers on top. Let's get into the goodies. This is, ooh, it's fire. That is what it looks like. This box instantly smelled good, of course, the minute that I opened it. Oh, that smells good. It smells kind of campfire-y. I like that. This is a bath bomb. It's called Fireball. It is 5.2 ounces. The only oil that's in it that's identifiable is cinnamon, but it says that it has a fragrance in it. And it has kind of a smoky, fiery fragrance. So this is just a bath bomb that you can either break them in half, which is what a lot of people do, or you can just drop the whole thing in and enjoy the heck out of it just as one big. It's gonna color your bath and make you so soft. On top of these, we talk about the scents all the time. They make your skin so soft. Second out, we have a Yog Nog body conditioner. And that is what that looks like. This is the one that threw me off when I saw it in here. I was like, are you sure that's not December? Treat your skin to velvety soft butters and a caramel scent. So the body conditioner, what you do is use it in the shower. And after you've gotten yourself all nice and clean, you put this all over yourself and then you can give it a rinse. Oh, that smells good. It smells like caramel, but deeper than that, more adult. It doesn't smell just like candy. It has a more adult than caramel scent. That is what it looks like. I just took a little dip out of it to show you guys that it's, let me show you. It's thick, don't get me wrong. It is thick, but it's not like hard. And this will last longer than you think. Well, depending on how much you use. I don't use a lot. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand just to see how it feels. Feels nice. Oh, it smells so good. I love that. I love Lush. I love Bath and Body. I could go on with the things I love. I love Bath and Body. I love Lush. I love other than Lush Bath and Body. Next out, ooh, this is really unusual. So they must have been afraid that we would lose all of our gold. This has got such a gold shimmer to it that I think probably they thought that we would lose all of our gold in the packing peanuts, which, by the way, their packing peanuts biodegrade in water. They just disappear. This is called Golden Pear, and it is a body scrub. So what you do is when you're in the shower or in the bath, whichever, and you're good and wet, you just scrub yourself with this and then give it a rinse. Let's see if it smells like golden pear. Oh my gosh, it does. Oh, it smells just like a juicy pear. Oh my goodness. I am not, let me touch it. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this out because as you guys can tell, it is coated, covered fantastically. Oh my gosh, in that nice shimmery stuff, and I don't want to get it all over everything. All right, we're gonna dig in for some more. Show me more. Next out we have, I'm gonna say Taai, T-A-A-I, T-A-A-I. It is a shower gel, and it says it's a warming ginger infusion with a splash of fresh tangerine juice to brighten your day. Something else you guys don't know about me, I love ginger. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Now that I've opened it, I'm just hoping that it doesn't have a grapefruit in it because, you know, sometimes once they've opened that citrus store, and this is the 3.5 ounce, by the way. Nope. It doesn't have grapefruit in it, so I am free to use it. It smells good. It smells kind of citrusy, kind of cinnamony. It just has a really nice scent to it. And last out, what do we have? We have, oh, this is gonna be a perfume if I were guessing. Let's see what perfume it is. I have a couple of these. I have the Honey I Wash the Kids. I love that. The Sultana. I love that. There's another one down there. I forget what it is. Tropical Forest, I think. Uh-oh. Didn't get my lid out. This one is Yognog. Isn't that what? Oh, that's what this is. Which means this is probably caramelly. Let's try it. Let's put it on. I hope it's good. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice spray. So you could condition your body with this and then top it off with this. I love that. Ooh. As it dries down, it's got the caramel, but it's also got a little bit of that, I want to say wood fire scent. You know, that smoky, kind of deep, sexy. What does this say? This is made in the United Kingdom. Interesting. Most of this, now that we get it in North America, is made in Canada, but they must make the perfumes in the UK. It is 0.3 ounces, and in addition to just fragrance, it has ylang ylang and clove bud oil. That smells so good. Okay, that was our November box. Let's dig into December. Right on top we have a card that says, welcome to 29 High Street. And I think I have heard that that is where Lush started originally. Oh, this peels or something. For days when the world is, there's too much with us, Lush. It's just like a postcard. Okay. Then right on top we have, oh, it's a 29 High Street enamel badge pin. Pin badge. That is really cool. It matched this, so it must be what the storefront looks like at 29 High Street. That is fun. And it has the 29 on top. So cute. Oh, right on top. And we are starting with good and big. We have the Happy Holidays Kitchen Exclusive Shower Gel, a delectable cherry chocolate scented lather. Ooh, and there's some sparkles we need to shake back into it. This is the 8.4 ounces, and I just wanted to give it a quick look-see, make sure I could indeed use it. They all come sealed, by the way. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Very cherry. Did I say cherry chocolate? It smells chocolatey. Yes, cherry chocolate scented. Oh yeah, that smells good. I don't think it's as good as Nikki's was. I think Nikki's cherry fruit scent wins. But this is very, very good. I mean, I love it, don't get me wrong. Next out we have, what is this? Oh, it's an elf. It's a cute little elf bath bomb. It is the There's No Room on the Nice list. Eek. 6.1 ounce. And it's just a bath bomb. Oh, it smells good. What is that though? I can't, it's an unidentifiable, you would just say it's a nice bathy scent. What is that? Maybe a little citrus, very clean. Let's see if they give us any hints. It has rose oil in it, violet leaf, sandalwood, maple syrup. There's some hints, all right. And then of course there's fragrance too, but those things I read to you give you an idea. It's kind of sweet, and sandalwood gives a little base, and and now it's on my nose. Okay, next out. Oh, this is wrapped too. I love that some of the things that are shiny are coming wrapped. I know they don't love to waste the plastic, but to get it here safely, I mean, sometimes you have to do what you have to do. This is a bath oil. Winter Night, and it says, drop into the tub and let the natural oils and butters soften and moisturize your skin. Open it up and see what it smells like. That's very nice. What is that? It's almost floral, which I did not expect. That's what it looks like out. Smells so good. I will probably not use this whole thing. I might even third this one. It is so big, and I get why it came in the bag, because it is soft, because it's mostly butters. It smells fantastic. I'm going to slip it back into the bag so that it stays nice until I want to use it too. Yeah, just from holding it, can you guys see? Just from holding it in my hand for just that, what, 30 seconds, it's starting to melt. That one is going to make you, oh yeah, it's all over me now. That one is going to make you so soft. Okay, oh, we have another perfume. Let's see. Soon I'll have all the perfumes. I love that because I do love the scents. That dried down to such a nice scent. Oh, this is the 29 High Street. We had this in one of the last UK boxes that I did. We had this in a solid, and I passed it on to my mom. Then I got the 29 High Street in a bath gel, and I was like, oh, wow, I wish I had a scent to go with it. I love the 29 High Street. It smells so posh. It just smells like a grown-up lady scent. That smells good. I love that. Do they tell us what it smells like? In addition to its fragrance, it has ylang ylang, sandalwood, jasmine, lime, Sicilian lemon, tonka absolute. So it is just loaded with all kinds of lovely scents. I love the 29 High Street scent. And I think last out, and I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a candle. It came in a cute little box, but my box was kind of open, but it came in this cute box. And this is what it is. It is, oh, it's a 29 High Street candle. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? So much fun. Oh, it smells like 29 High Street. Can you imagine? So you're getting in the bath, get your nice Lush bath scents going, you light your Lush candle. This smells heavenly. I love that. Okay. This was a fantastic December Christmas box. That was so much fun. I shouldn't just say December. I love both the boxes. So in the December box, we got the bigger bath gel, the cute little elf, there's no room left on the nice list, bath bomb, the 29 High Street candle, the 29 High Street perfume, the winter night bath oil, and this sweet 29 High Street enameled pen. Those were our November and December boxes from Lush. They are right here in North America now. I think they ship out of Canada, and I love them. If you have any interest, I will put the link below. I am not affiliated with them. It's just a link to take you over to the website to make it easier. Go treat yourself to some self-care. Get a nice bubble bath going or something and light a candle. Have some wine or sparkling water if that's you. Oh, it smells so good. All right, guys, take care. I hope you're having a fantastic holiday season. I can't wait to see you again, and be well, guys. Bye.